Welcome back. I'm Thomas Paul, 10 plus years tutoring math and science and unlocking student potential. And we have another trig trick from the SAT. It says, in this triangle, the sine of x degrees is 0.6, and it asks us, what is the cosine of y degrees? So we first want to hit this problem by looking at the background we need to solve it. Always look at the backgrounds. The first thing we see is we have this 0.6, and we need to know that that's the same thing as 6 over 10, if we go from decimal to fraction. And then, of course, we can go to 3 over 5 as our reduced fraction, if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So we need to know, first of all, how to go from decimal to fraction. Good. So next step, we need to know our SOHCAHTOA, our sine function, our cosine function, and our tangent function. And here, so we know our sine function is sine of x degrees is equal to our opposite side over the hypotenuse side. If you look over here, here's x degrees, and so we'll just replicate this triangle here for a little manipulation. Here's our x degrees, here's our y degrees, and our opposite value then, we know it. Oh wait, this is just this value here, because we know that it's equal to 3 over 5, or 0.6, so if we fill it in here, that's going to be 3, because that's the side opposite of x, and this is going to be 5, it's the hypotenuse. And that's the third thing you want to know in terms of background. We just demonstrated it. You need to know to draw these values in. Draw these values, or pardon me, write these values on the triangle itself. And that's going to help us now, because what do we want to solve for? What's the cosine of y degrees? Well, here's our angle y. And cosine is ka. So we do our little box here for our solution box. Well, we know that, if we switch colors, let's use blue, the cosine of y degrees is going to equal the adjacent value. Here's our angle, so adjacent to that is 3, because we can't use the hypotenuse. Oh, and it's over the hypotenuse, which is 5. And so that's our answer. Our cosine of y is 3 over 5. So if you follow these 3 background steps, you'll be able to solve it just as easily. Until next time.